I be parking my frame. Gang, 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 gang. If you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Please don't give me hype. Write my name in ice. Ain't arguing with these lazy bitches. I just raise my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was savage. Got the shit from Tina.
What's up and welcome back to another video. My name is Kimmy if you are new here, and today we're going to be doing a winter haul part 2 of a lot of different items. I'm gonna have to break this up in different parts because I went crazy, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know which items are your favorite. Let's go.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both gears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight.
Alright, look, I'm not even gonna lie to you. This is one of my favorite shirts already. I like the colors, the pop of orange. Y'all know I like the pop of color. You can bring out with your shoes. I like the fact that it says be happy. I absolutely love shirts with a motivational message because you go through your day and you just inspire yourself. It motivates you to just keep going. And it also motivates other people to keep going. I like the drip. This shirt is fire. You can wear orange shoes. You can wear black and white shoes. You can really set this off. This is like one of my favorite shirts already. I love the fact that it has something down the arm. I like shirts that just do a lot, period. The shirt and the shoes really just bring out the outfit. You know, of course your hair, but I got it in a size large. It's oversized, but it fits perfectly. Like, what do y'all think? Y'all like this shirt? No? What? Tell me what you think. Tell me what you feeling. All right, now, so you know I gotta do the matching shoes. Okay, so I would either wear it with these shoes. It have a little splash on the side. It have a little green in it, but you're not gonna really be able to tell. And if so, it'll just give it a pop of color. And it has like sparkly shoestrings. So this really bounces out the orange in the shirt. Or we could do the orange and white slime shoes. Yo, these slime drip shoes, crazy, like crazy. Where do you find this? Where are you gonna find some shoes that's dripped in slime? What? And I wore them a lot of times. The slime, the drip, it does not come off. Like, it's stuck on there. This is crazy. So they're orange and white. It have orange slime dripping down the slide. Dripping down the slide. Dripping down the side. So it's like, you already know. I'm already getting excited. You think the orange splash or the orange and white slime? All right, so I really like this one. I got it in a size large. This one fits, This one fits a lot smaller than the other larges I got. As you can see, like the difference. This one isn't as big or as loose. So they all do run very different. They aren't sized the same. I like all of the colors. I like the vintage look. It looks a bit faded. And I think that's super cool. It gives it like a unique element to the shirt. This one I feel like you can wear with a lot of different colors. You can bring out the green, the blue, which brings me to my next thing. These bands. Oh my gosh, these bands are so cute. It's very unique. You don't see these all too often, and that's my favorite thing about it. That's why I like custom shoes, because whatever custom shoes you have, nobody else is going to have them. And if they do get them customized similar to yours, it's very few people that's going to have the same shoes as you. And I absolutely love that. But these are a unique color and a unique pair of shoes. I absolutely love the neon color, and I feel like it would match this shirt perfectly. So I would definitely wear this shirt with these shoes. Of course, I got them from Vans. Y'all know I love me a good pair of Vans and a good pair of custom shoes. I haven't worn these yet, but I think they are so cute. I got them on Black Friday, so I think they were like 30 or 50% off. Yeah, all my shoes in a size 11, just in case they run small, and just so I can have like a little extra space in them. All right, so next are these Fashion Nova jeans, and they are so cute. They're bell bottom at the bottom. They're wide leg, and I got these in a size 15, and they're a little stretchy, but they fit really good. So all of the pants I got are in a size 15, but they all run differently. These are a 15, and they fit perfectly. I absolutely love them. I love the color. I like the wide leg at the bottom. I like the pockets in the back. I like the fade. It's white and then it goes blue, then it fades to white. I like that they're two-tone. They are so cute. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear these. It is so cute. I can already tell I'm gonna love this jacket. Y'all, it is so cute. It is multicolored just like I like it. And y'all, this is some good quality. Like, you got the yellow, you got the blue, you got the red, you got all kind of colors you can bring out with the shoes. Like, what? Fashion Nova did their big one on this one. Shout out to Fashion Nova. This is some good quality. It's like super thick. Look at that. So tell me what y'all think. Is it a go? Is it a no? Is it a I'll never take it off? Like, what do y'all think about this jacket? I personally love it. It feels like it's definitely gonna keep you warm. And you put out the shoes, what? Who that? I don't know. It's me. Go get this jacket. Like, this is fire. I got it in a size extra large because I always like my jackets a little bit big so that I can make sure that they fit. But actually, this one is not as big as I thought it would be. So I would definitely say get your size. I would either wear these with these yellow shoes that I got from Clay's Customs. They weren't originally yellow, but I got them customized yellow, or these red, blue, black, and white ones. Y'all, I really don't know. They are both fire. Y'all are gonna have to help me out with this. The yellow brings out the yellow in the outline. This blue, red, black, and white brings out the wrist of the jacket, and it brings out this little patch right here. And you gotta make sure you follow me on Instagram at Kemi_Coco so you can see how I ended up styling it. Alright, y'all, and I got these green sunglasses, and I got them because I felt like they would match perfectly with this combination with the neon green Vans and the Scooby-Doo shirt. So I got these sunglasses. I like them. They are so cute. I like how boxy they are. I feel like it gives you like a sporty, sleek, sassy look, you know. They had them in black, but I just didn't get the black ones. These turned out so cute. This is what they look like on. I think they're so cute. I like the color. It's very loud. And they fit so nicely. Like, they fit how you think joggers should fit. And they're so comfortable, y'all. Like, you can go out in these, or you can just wear them around the house. Like, they're super, super soft. And they're thick, so they'll definitely keep you warm. But like, these have already become one of my favorite pair of joggers. I haven't even worn them yet. It's just how it feels. Like, this is super soft. Oh my gosh, I love them. I got these in a size, oh Lord, y'all, I don't even know what size I got them in. I got them in an extra large. And they fit perfectly, and they are my size. So I usually get my joggers in a size extra large. So I would definitely say get your size, unless you like them oversized, or if you like them undersized. If you like them to fit, I would say do a size down. But yeah, they are really comfortable. I love them. Alright, y'all, and that is it for today's video. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos, and make sure you stay tuned to part 3 of the videos. Until next time.